Ito yung unit ng client ko. It's on the 9th floor and the unit is I. Okay, so pasok tayo. It's a one-bedroom unit. Dito natin ilalagay yung refrigerator, tapos yung washing machine, dito natin ilalagay. Ayan. And meron rin tayong overhead cabinet. And meron rin tayong sink, kitchen sink. Ito is granite countertop, ready na rin siya. And meron na rin siyang mga cabinet. May grease trap na rin sa baba, ready na siya. Ayan. Tapos, may provision na tayo for range hood. Pwede natin palagyan ng additional cabinet if you like, pero andyan na, nakaabang na siya. Tapos, dito naman, ang kanilang toilet and bath. Ayan siya. So, sa natin, ayan, meron na tayong lavatory and andyan na rin yung ating toilet bowl. Rain type shower and may faucet, pwede palagyan ng division or partition, glass partition. Tapos dito, nagandagay yung TV. Dito naman, pwede ilagay yung couch. We have provision for air condition dito sa living room. And we have another provision for air condition dito sa bedroom. Okay? And ito naman yung kanilang master's bed. Ito yung bedroom. Ayan. Andito, glass, ang ating window ay glass from floor to ceiling. Ayan. Ito. Oh, we have another window dito sa living room. So my client would like to confirm that kung dalawa ang kanilang window. Nandito na. Yan. Dalawa talaga. Ang hangin.